So we're here today looking at this amazing Mk5 Supra, one of one, Liberty Walk build in the UK. And Imran, you are the owner of this car, aren't you? So you didn't build the car, you bought this from Liberty Walk Europe, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And why did you have to buy it? Well, look at it, I guess.
Because, yeah, looking at this car, and also I wanted to buy a Supra, but I mean, I was looking at the Mk4 and this one popped up at the time. So I was like, okay, why not try the new Supra? But with the body kit on the car made me buy this. And I mean, it's amazing work as well. Work of art, I think.
You're a bit of a Liberty Walk connoisseur, aren't you? Because you've also got an R35 GTR, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I've got the R35 as well. And they are basically bought, I think, both of them at the same kind of time.
Oh, really?
Before I went pick this up, the Liberty Walk GTR, the one I was looking from maybe a few years, and that same car popped up as well, so I had to buy that one as well.
So Jimmy at Liberty Walk Europe has just finished building his RX-7, hasn't he?
Yes.
Are you going to buy that one off him as well?
Let's see what happened. Let's see. Yeah, we might.
So if you've got them both parked in the garage, what one are you taking for a spin first?
That's a very difficult one. I love both of them. I mean, the GTR is a very quick car compared to the Supra. Supra is like for a nice drive around the city or like show car. So yeah, it depends where I'm going. So I'll pick my car then, you know.
Yeah. And talking about a few of the modifications on the car, obviously it's got that Liberty Walk kit in it.
Looking at the car from any angle is just beautiful.
The wheels, 3-piece Rotiform, by the look of it.
Yes.
You've got forged brakes behind there.
8-pot, yeah.
8-pot, so it brings you to a stop pretty quick. A Remus exhaust system?
Yes, Remus exhaust system. And a Piper Cross induction, also tuned by Litchfield with, I think they changed the downpipes as well.
Also it's Litchfield tuned?
Yes, Litchfield tuned, stage 2. And a pretty quick for, I mean, the look of the car as well. I mean, it is quick, the 500 plus bhp. Yeah. Quite happy with that power anyway. I really like the custom built the air tank. Yeah. Which is, it looks like a straight 6 engine as well.
Okay, so is it on AirX?
On AirX, yes.
And how does it drive on the air ride?
I mean, it surprised me the first time I took this out for a drive, you know, because in my mind, the airbags not that great on the performance cars anyway. But I mean, it handles very well, and today as well, I've been on countryside roads. I've done good miles on the roads as well, the back roads, and the handles amazing. Yeah. And you can't tell if it's on a coilovers or the actual bags, but yeah, love it.
What is your favourite modification on the car?
I think the body kit itself.
And then the other thing that's quite cool about this car, it's just, well, a bit of a hype thing at the minute, isn't it? The Gentleman on Netflix, this car's been...
Yes. Then again, thanks to Jimmy anyway at Liberty Walk, he introduced me with the Netflix team as well, the Gentleman, and they took the car from me to be a part of the movie. So I was quite happy with that as well.
And you think it's in episode 3 and episode 8?
Yes, that's where you see the car. But yeah, it's amazing to, I mean, you're looking at your car and something like that kind of series, you know, it's makes your car even special, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm quite happy with that.
There we go. Well, I'll probably go home now and watch The Gentleman. I'm on episode 2, so I need to get to episode 3.
Definitely, guys. That. Yes.
But yeah, thank you very much for today.
You're very welcome.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
And remember, if you've enjoyed this video, to like, subscribe and share, and we'll catch you at the next one.